Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy cucumber cantaloupe juice using our Koso. Cantaloupe is a delicious and nutritious fruit that offers several health benefits. It is a great source of essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin A, in the form of beta-carotene, and potassium. Vitamin C supports the immune system and enhances the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based foods such as green leafy veggies and lentils. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who follow vegetarian or vegan diet. It also plays a vital role in the health of skin, as it is necessary for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that plays a vital role in the health of skin, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. Beta-carotene in cantaloupe is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is crucial for maintaining good vision and reducing the risk of age-related eye conditions. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, which is an important factor in maintaining heart health. Let's talk about today's drink, spicy cucumber cantaloupe juice. In order to make this drink more powerful, I added ours Koso. You probably know already, but ours Koso is a fermented drink made in Japan. It contains more than 100 foods, including seaweed, Japanese herbs, mushrooms, and some seasonal ingredients. Ours Koso is a source of probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics, and antioxidants that can help support our gut health. Today, I used 4 teaspoons of ours Koso lower sugar. Please use 2 tablespoons of ours Koso original if you are using ours Koso original. Ours Koso lower sugar is more concentrated than ours Koso original, so serving size is different. Spicy cucumber cantaloupe juice is so easy to make. All you need to do is add all the ingredients to the blender and blend until smooth. If you don't want too spicy, you don't need to add jalapeno and cayenne pepper. Hope you like this drink. Add this drink to your brunch this weekend. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.